All right, to do this truck justice, I put the hood back on it. This is a very good looking old Dodge truck. And I am amazed how nice this truck is. He's gonna be selling it. I just have too many projects, but I mean, it is stripped out, but if a guy had another truck, this thing is really nice. We had some visitors in here. All right, but I'll show you. The cab corners are beautiful. And it's got it's a 5 window that a lot of people like. Hey, look at this. That's unheard of from around here. So it must have been off the road for a long time. Yeah. That back glass has got to be hard to find. And the frame is sweet too. Little dually shorty. What a neat little truck. I'll try to get over here real quick. Oh yeah. That would make a good project for somebody right there. Get this front end a little bit more. There we go. I could see that with a little hemi in it or something, or a slant 6. Beautiful, beautiful truck.